What if I told you your motorcycle could wear more bling than a Hollywood celebrity? What if your bike had accessories so rare, so extreme, they could buy you a car, or even a house? This isn't your average bike gear. This is the top 1% of motorcycle accessories crafted for those who live fast, think big, and ride like legends. These aren't just upgrades, they're status symbols, built for the bold and designed for those who believe that a ride should feel like royalty on two wheels. So buckle up, because in the next 15 minutes, you're going to discover the most jaw-dropping, high-priced motorcycle accessories you won't believe even exist. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for the last one. It's the kind of luxury that makes billionaires blink. Let's ride. Point 1. Carbon fiber everything, $25,000 plus upgrades. Carbon fiber isn't just about weight saving, it's a flex. It whispers speed, but screams status. From full carbon fiber fairings to custom tanks, swing arms, and even wheels, this ultralight, ultra-strong material can turn a basic ride into a stealth missile. A full carbon kit from BSD, Ilmberger, or Dimag can easily cross $25,000, and that doesn't include labor. But for riders chasing perfection and presence, it's worth every carbon-woven penny. And the best part? Every twist of the throttle feels faster, sharper, smoother. Carbon isn't just an upgrade, it's a transformation. Ready to pair speed with security? Wait till you see what's next. Point 2. Bulletproof motorcycle gear, $5,000 plus suits. Imagine riding with confidence knowing your gear could stop a bullet. That's right, bulletproof riding suits are a thing. Brands like Blauer and Rocker are pushing the limits with Kevlar-lined jackets, armored hoodies, and tactical-grade pants that blend fashion with function, and a serious dose of James Bond energy. Outfits like these can run over $5,000, but for those who value life as much as lifestyle, the investment speaks for itself. Because when you ride like a king, you've got to protect your throne. But speaking of security, how about a helmet that's smarter than your phone? Point 3. AI smart helmets, $2,000 to $5,500. The future of riding is already here, with AI-powered smart helmets that think, react, and protect like never before. Imagine a HUD on your visor, rear-view cameras in your peripheral, voice-controlled music and maps, all without ever taking your eyes off the road. The Cross Helmet X1 or Jarvish XAR comes in at around $2,000 to $5,500, offering augmented reality, voice command, and 360 degrees awareness. It's not just a helmet, it's your command center. Intelligence and innovation, wrapped in carbon fiber and high-tech glass. Still with me? Because now, we move from high-tech to high-class. Point 4. 24K gold-plated exhaust systems, $15,000 plus. Yes, you heard that right. 24K gold-plated exhausts. Exotic custom builders and collectors have taken Akrapovic, Yoshimura, and SC Project systems and dipped them in pure gold. Why? Because for some riders, it's not just about sound or speed, it's about spectacle. These golden exhausts can cost upwards of $15,000, turning heads even before the engine roars. Because in the world of elite riders, shine isn't optional, it's expected. But if you think that's extravagant, wait till you hear about what's hiding inside some of their tanks. Point 5. Hidden whiskey compartments, priceless, custom. A toast to the road? Some custom builders design tanks with hidden compartments that store rare whiskey bottles. Yes, we're talking Macallan, Glenfiddich, even Louis XIII. These aren't for mid-ride sips, but for show, for storytelling, and for those who blend speed with sophistication. These hidden features are one of a kind, designed for collectors, and often cost more than the bike itself. Because what's a ride without a little celebration? And speaking of celebration, how about a seat that massages you while you ride? Point 6. Heated, massaging seats, $4,000 to $7,000. Comfort is king. And when you're cruising across states, nothing beats a massaging, heated leather seat. From BMW touring models to fully customized gold wings, elite riders are investing in seats with lumbar massage, heat zones, and even built-in cooling. Some premium upgrades can reach $7,000 or more, using memory foam, Italian leather, and tech you'd expect from a Rolls-Royce. Because the destination is great, but riding in luxury is the real reward. Ready to light up the night in style? Point 7. Diamond-encrusted LED kits, $10,000 plus bling. Lighting up your bike is common. But doing it with diamonds? That's another level. Some luxury show bikes are decked out in LED systems with real crystal or diamond accents, giving off a glow that's less fast and furious and more fast and fabulous. Custom kits with rare gems and programmable patterns can go well over $10,000, making your ride a rolling light show of wealth and taste. But what if even your tires made a statement? Point 8. Custom gold or spiked rims, $20,000 plus sets. Wheels carry the soul of a bike, and in the luxury scene, they shine like trophies. From 24K gold-plated rims to razor-edge spiked wheels, the elite pay over $20,000 just to make their bike's shoes stand out. It's form meeting aggression and function meeting flair. These aren't just rims, they're rolling art. And now, we arrive at the final item. An accessory so insane, it's more than just an upgrade. It's a statement to the world. Point 9. The $1 million diamond-encrusted helmet, the ultimate flex. Yes. You heard that right. A motorcycle helmet, worth $1 million. Crafted by Luxury Rain and Arai, this helmet is encrusted with over 3,000 white diamonds, layered in platinum, and stit. Shed with 18K white gold thread. It's not about performance, it's about power. Only one exists. And it wasn't made for speed, it was made for legacy. Because some don't just ride to live. They ride to leave a mark on the world. Now that you've seen the most insane, luxurious, and mind-blowing accessories ever created for motorcycles, let me ask you this. Backhand index pointing right if money were no object. Which one would you put on your dream bike first? Let us know in the comments. And in the next video, we explore the top 10 ultra-rich bikers who actually ride with this gear. Until then, ride bold, live free, and stay legendary. This is Virum Vision. See you in the fast lane.